Whoops, sorry.
No worries.
He's a good cat. He's cute. He's a good cat.
Alright, I'm gonna go shopping.
Just don't touch his back
Okay.
legs.
Okay.
We got 5 minutes.
Alright. Oh crap.
What's this little dog?
Wally.
Wally.